Welcome to Fiery Smart Support. My name is Leah, your virtual Fiery DFE assistant, and in today's video I would like to show you how to patch your Fiery using Fiery Updates feature from Command WorkStation. Let's get started. Command WorkStation includes the Fiery Updates feature for installing updates and patches for Fiery system software and Fiery API. This allows system software updates to be installed from either the Fiery server or remote computers. This also allows updates and patches to be installed without requiring the Fiery server to be connected to the internet. To access Fiery updates, start Command WorkStation. The computer running Command WorkStation must be connected to the internet, be on the same network as the Fiery server. When updates are available, you will see a red notification tab on the right upper corner of Command WorkStation. Updates and patches can be installed onto the Fiery server from only one computer at a time. System updates must be disabled to allow patches to be installed. Hope this video will help you keep your Fiery DFE up to date with all available patches. Thank you for watching.